On today's video, I'll be showing you how to replace your Fluidmaster 400A series fill valve. Turn off your angle stop to your supply line for your toilet. Flush the toilet. You'll see here that the fill valve actually connects via a lock ring. What you'll have to do is you'll have to push that lock ring up, and then this will allow you to pull out your fill valve. And once you pull it out, you can go ahead and put the new one back on, and then just make sure you adjust it properly depending on the water level that's necessary, and then push the lock ring back down. So here, we're going to push the lock ring up, and once we push it up, we'll pull out the old fill valve. You can see here on the fill valve that we pulled out, it was already has here a crack. This is why we were experiencing problems with the toilet flushing. So now we're going to go ahead and we're going to replace and install the new fill valve. Push your lock ring up. We pull the fill valve up and we've removed the bottom shaft. Now we're going to simply put it back onto the old shaft and just push it down. You don't want to push it down all the way because that will affect the water level when your toilet fills up. If you want more water in your toilet for the level, you'll simply push up. If you want less, you just push it down, and then you just make your adjustments and then just lock your ring back on. At this point, we just connected our hose to our fill valve. The hose basically needs to be cut to its proper length. You have two options at this point. If you have a flush valve that has this little top portion, this will allow you to just take your hose and put it right inside the flush valve. If you choose to use the clip, go ahead and do that. Just be very careful not to be too abrasive when you're putting the clip on top of your flush valve. What happens times often is if you're too abrasive, it'll cause fracture cracking. And if this has a fracture crack from you moving it or being too abrasive, your toilet will have a continuous run of water, and you'll have to actually replace your whole flush valve. If this video was a help, if it was informational, please subscribe.